Hare Krishna. In our last episode, we saw about Bhagadatta. Today, let us see the day 13 of the Mahabharata war. Drona's goal remained to capture Yudhishthira. Drona arranged the Kaurava forces in the Chakravyuha or wheel formation. The Chakravyuha was a tricky formation because the opening would close even if the enemy broke through it. Only Arjuna and Krishna knew how to penetrate the formation. But Arjuna was busy fighting with some Saptakas in remote place of battlefield. Abhimanyu told to his uncles that he could break but don't know to exit. The Pandavas promised to ensure his safe exit if he helped them to break the formation. Abhimanyu charged into the Chakravyuha. However, Abhimanyu died because he didn't know how to exit the formation. This happened because as soon as Abhimanyu enters the formation, Jayadratha stops them with help from a boon obtained from Shiva and defeats Bhima and Satyaki. Inside the chakra, the Kamala formation, that is Padmavyuha, Abhimanyu kills many warriors, including Vrihadvala, that is the king of Kushala, king of Asmakha, Marthikavata, that is the son of Kritavarma, Rukmaratha, that is the son of Shalya, and Shalya's younger brother Lakshmana, that is the son of Duryodhana and Dushasana's second son Dushmanara. The Kaurava commanders devised a strategy to prevent Abhimanyu from causing further damage to their force. Following Drona's instructions, 6 warriors attacked the teenager Abhimanyu and deprived him of his chariot, bow, sword, and shield. Abhimanyu picks up a mace, smashes Ashwadhama's chariot, upon which the latter fled, and slays one of Shakuni's brothers. Numerous troops and elephants before being killed by the son of Dushasana in a mace fight. Upon learning of the death of his son, Arjuna vows to kill Jayadratha. I would like to recommend you to see all good performances for sake of dharma. Also take the meaningful names for the future generation than keeping fancy Google names. To continue with the day 14 of Mahabharata war, the Pandavas used eagle formation, that is Garuda formation, while Kauravas used the combination of Shataka formation, that is cart, along with lotus and needle formation. Moral is, many of you get confused with formations, but it is like, for example, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is also 4. As to the war, the aspects are recommended. The designs are made through mind and good understanding. with discipline. Mahabharata, the names denotes the toughest karma, that is, all our actions of past and present, which is made for future. All mind reading and utmost remembrance only. To continue with eagle formation was designed to channel Arjuna's anger and rage into a laser-sharp focus. Please remember, there was no any technology at those times. By sharp focus, allowing him to tear through obstacles and challenges while keeping his eye on his target. This is a mixed vyuha as Chakra Shakata vyuha, a defensive formation where the king or the target is placed at the center of the formation in the form of a spinning wheel. Cavalry made up the inner part, while elephants guarded the outermost layer. This was divided by Dronacharya to protect Jayadratha from Arjuna on the 14th day. Drona killed King Sivi. Bhima killed the princess of Kalinga, that is Dhruva. Also killed Dhurmukha and Dushkarna. There was fight between Somadatta and Satyaki. Drushtadhyumna helped Satyaki and Drona helped Somadatta. Seeing this, all Pandava army rushed to Drona. Then Arjuna forced to the battlefield. By seeing Arjuna, all Kauravas ran away. Arjuna, Bhima, Ghatotkacha, Anjanaparna, that is Ghatotkacha's son, who went against Drona. So Anjanaparna was killed by Ashwadhama. Now Ghatotkacha and Ashwadhama had long fight. Bhima defeats Soma and killed Bhalika, that is, he is king of Bhalika kingdom. He was elder brother of Shantanu. Then Bhima killed many sons of Karna and Duryodhana. Satyaki killed Somadatta. Please note, Nakula defeated Shakuni and left him alive as he vanquished. Drishtadyumna kills Dhrumasena, who is the son of Dushasana. The king of Trighata, Alayudha, the Rakshasa from Kauravas, was killed by Ghatotkacha. Alayudha was a friend of Alambusha. Karna finds very difficult to understand Ghatotkacha tricks. So he uses Vasavi weapon and kills him. What is Vasavi weapon? It is dart-like weapon gifted by Indra to Karna. The weapon struck by bolts of lightning and could only be used once, also called as Vasavi Shakti. Krishna tells to Arjuna about this Vasavi weapon, that it is good Ghatotkacha died, otherwise Arjuna must have died as Karna's toe did to kill Arjuna.